Are you ready to dive into the world of IPTV? Here's the quick guide to buying an IPTV subscription that won't disappoint. Start by checking out 2TV Store, the best IPTV provider out there, linked in the description.
I am waiting.
Next, research providers to ensure they have good reviews and a reliable uptime aim for 99.9% or higher. Don't forget to look for a trial period. This lets you test the service before fully committing. Also, confirm the compatibility with your device's smart TVs, phones, and streaming boxes should all be supported. Lastly, avoid providers that demand upfront payment without clear terms. Scams are common in this space. Stick with reputable services, and you're golden.